English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 36.
Jane is having lunch with friends next Tuesday.
She is going to the ballet tonight. She's having coffee with Paul later. I'm seeing the dentist tomorrow. We're playing tennis this evening.
Alana is playing tennis with Carrie on Saturday at 2 p.m. Thomas is catching the train at 6 p.m. so he can get to the restaurant by 7 p.m. Nahid and Eric are going to Sally's birthday party next Friday. We are meeting Nicole and Yuri at the beach this Saturday. Sonia's working out at the gym tomorrow because she's training for a marathon. Lottie's singing in a concert this weekend at the city's concert hall.
Hugo and Laura are seeing a play at the Palace Theatre on Saturday night. Susan's playing chess with Kai on Tuesday at 8 p.m. to prepare for the championships. Vicky's visiting her grandmother in Finland next week. She's really looking forward to the trip. Michelle's going to Roy's surprise birthday party on Friday night. It should be a fun night. Andrew's having lunch with Rosie and Maggie on Thursday at 1:30 p.m. at their local cafe.
Hello?
Hi, Maria. We haven't seen each other in a long time. Shall we meet up this week?
Good idea, Catherine. When's good for you?
For once, my diary is empty. How about Monday for a coffee before work?
I'm afraid I'm going swimming at 8.
Tuesday for lunch?
Sorry, I'm meeting Adrian for lunch at noon.
Wednesday?
I'm finishing work early on Wednesday to take the kids skating at 4. Then on Thursday, I'm having lunch with Jude at 1, and Omar's returning home from his business trip that evening.
Are you busy with Omar and the kids for the rest of the week?
I'm working all day on Friday. Then I'm busy all weekend, as Omar's brother is coming to visit. We're taking him sightseeing on Saturday and to the beach on Sunday.
Wow, you are busy. In that case, could we meet for lunch at Ricky's Cafe on Monday?
Sounds good. She's taking a trip to the beach next weekend. He takes care of his dog by feeding him healthy snacks. She took a look at the paintings at her local art gallery. After his performance, he took a bow as the audience clapped. They got on the train and took their seats. He's taking time off work this month to go on holiday. I took time out from my busy day to eat lunch with a friend. I took a picture of the sunrise from my bedroom window.
Take a seat. Take a look. Take care of. Take a trip. Take a picture. Take a bow. Take time out.
Come on, Lorna. Let's sit down and plan our trip to New York. It's only a few days until we go.
Good idea, Jeff.
We'll go straight to the hotel when we get there. We'll quickly check in and let the hotel porter take care of our luggage. Then we can start exploring the city. At some point, I want to take a good look at the new modern art exhibition at the gallery.
I'm not very interested in that exhibition. So while you do that, I'm going to take some pictures of Central Park.
Good plan. What else do you want to do?
Sarah recommended taking a boat trip around Manhattan Island. I'd love to do that. Oh, and do you want to go to a Broadway show? The one I mentioned last night sounds amazing. Apparently the audience goes crazy at the end of every performance when the star, Alex Palmy, comes back on the stage to take a bow.
Sounds great to me.
Adam is going to take a picture of the beach at sunset. Violet is taking care of Stella's dog this weekend. The children are taking a trip to the ice rink tomorrow. I'm taking time off from work this afternoon because I don't feel well. Connor is planning to take a look at the competition entries today. I'm taking time out from my schedule to meet friends this weekend.
End of lesson 36.